Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to export responses into Excel in Typeform. This is incredibly useful when you need to analyze your form data in spreadsheets, create reports, or share results with your team. If you want to get started on Typeform, you can click on the link in the description down below. First things first, open your web browser and head over to typeform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account by entering your login credentials. Make sure you have your email and password ready to access your dashboard. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Typeform dashboard, where all your existing forms are displayed. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your forms. Look through your forms and click on the name of the specific form you want to download responses from. Clicking the form name will open up the form editor, giving you access to all the tools you need. Now, at the top of the form editor, you'll notice several tabs. Look for the one labeled Results and click on it. This tab is where all the magic happens in terms of viewing and managing your form submissions. Once you're in the Results section, you'll see another option called Responses. Go ahead and click on Responses to access the full list of submissions. A pop-up window will appear presenting you with different export options. Here, you'll need to select all responses if you want to export everything that's been submitted. Alternatively, if you only need specific data, you can choose filtered responses or selected responses depending on your needs. This flexibility allows you to export exactly what you require without including unnecessary information. Once you've made your selection, direct your attention to the upper right panel of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Export Responses. Click on this button to proceed with the export process. A menu will appear showing different file format options such as .csv or .xlsx. Since we're exporting to Excel, go ahead and select .xlsx. This format ensures that your data will open seamlessly in Microsoft Excel with all formatting intact. Finally, click the Export button to initiate the download. Your browser will begin downloading the file to your default Downloads folder. Depending on the number of responses, this might take just a few seconds. Once the download is complete, you can open the file in Excel and start working with your data immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your Typeform responses into Excel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.